Today's problem in trucking.
Morning, guys. I'm out here making my morning delivery.
Come on, this way.
Oh my God, which way?
Race.
Leave in the comments where you think we are.
I know a place where we can go and be alone.
It is super windy out there. It's calling for some pretty good storms down here in Memphis today.
So come away with me, nobody has to know.
I swear I keep thinking somebody's gonna be in these trees.
Where we gonna go?
You getting cold?
For sure, bro.
I ain't scared to go outside, bro.
Then go.
Be right back.
Go, run tail.
I mean, I could basically see his.
I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me. To run away with me.
What's up, guys?
Hey, back with another video.
Back with another one in our usual spot in the Walmart parking lot on a Friday night.
Yeah. Did our usual. Shower, Walmart, grocery store, restock the truck.
I think every time we do one of these sit downs, we're in a Walmart parking lot.
Yeah, for the
Pretty
most
much.
part. Yeah.
Just about.
Yeah.
We're actually, I don't think you guys could really guess where we're at this time.
Yeah.
We're in Barstow, California.
Yeah.
Took a long one this time. That'll be coming up on a few videos, a couple videos down the road probably, but
Yeah.
yeah, that's where we're at.
We left you guys off, I think in Allentown.
Yeah, where we got those good noodles,
Yeah.
good ramen.
But we sat there for the weekend, and then on Monday morning, we went and picked up a load. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, and I'm sitting here. It's 11:35. I picked my load up at, I think it said 12:30, I think. But I am early. This load is picking up in Pennsylvania, basically Allentown, Pennsylvania, and it's going to Rochester, Minnesota. But it didn't pick up until like around dinner time today, so I got to actually sleep in, which was nice. Well, considering sleeping in, I didn't even go to bed till like 5. But that's okay. I need to clean my glasses. I can see spots on them. But I thought I would jump on here. Whenever I get out, I'll show you guys what this place looks like. It is a tiny little building. And the guy came out here a few minutes ago and he was like, "We'll be with you as soon as we can." Somebody had all you guys coming all at the same time. I was like, no problem. I'm early anyway. So, but I'll show you guys what this looks like in a little bit. All right, I finally got loaded after sitting here for, this is what the place looks like. It's just, again, another small little place. But I finally got loaded. I think we've sat here for, well, I mean, I was supposed to get loaded at 11:30, and I'm pretty sure that it's going on about 4 o'clock right now. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to put my lock on. All right. Yeah, I've been sitting here since about 11 o'clock this morning. I just got loaded, and it's about 4 p.m. I basically picked this load up in Allentown, and we're taking it over to Rochester, Minnesota. What I didn't look at was the weather, and apparently they're calling for another blizzard in Rochester, Minnesota, starting on the 19th. And I do have a load coming out of that area on the 19th, so I know we're going to get in a snowstorm. So wish us luck. I'll try to film as much of it as I possibly can. But I did want to jump back on here and let you guys know what was going on, because it did take a while to get loaded today. All right, I'll see y'all in a few hours.
Somebody save me from myself. I spent so long living in hell. They say my lifestyle is bad for my health. It's the only thing that seems to help. All of this drinking and smoking is hopeless, but feel like it's all that I need. Something inside of me's broken. I hold on to anything that sets me free.
Well, I took over a couple hours ago, my shift on our way to Minnesota. Pulled over in this rest area. Been driving for about 3 hours. We're still in Pennsylvania. Becky made some tacos. Got this to try. Never tried it before, but I've seen it in there, so. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the sauce. It's actually pretty damn spicy. I'll just put it on one. Or is that the seasoning? I tried this new Dano's taco seasoning.
Show them my little taco on the camera. These
She found these little
new little
slider,
tacos shells.
like a slider taco, basically. Tiny. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating and get on down the road.
I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. Life has shattered my hopes and my dreams. I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. Life has shattered my hopes and my dreams.
What if the night sky was missing a moon? There were no shooting stars to use wishing on you. And all of my sorrows, I just washed them down. It's the only peace I've ever found.
All of this drinking and smoking is hopeless, but feel like it's all that I need. Something inside of me's broken. I hold on to anything that sets me free. I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. Life has shattered my hopes and my dreams. I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. Life has shattered my hopes and my dreams.
Now, that load that I went and picked up, it was 2 pallets. It was 100 pounds. It was temperature controlled. It was 15 to 25 with a set point of 22 Celsius. And it was loaded 1,088 miles, and the deadhead was 43 miles, and it paid $23.51 to the truck, and we made $1,039.75 off that load. And let me see here. It paid $2.70 per mile.
Yeah, we go to Minnesota a lot here.
Yeah, and Iowa. We go to those two places a lot.
Chaska and another one, but we go there quite
Rochester.
a bit. And that was a pretty good load.
Yeah, it was a good load.
And Minnesota's always a pretty decent area. I mean, we really don't ever have trouble getting out of there. A lot of loads from the Northeast end up going there. It's a pretty good area for FedEx.
The only time we ever have a problem getting out of there is if we're trying to go home.
Yeah.
From Minnesota to North Carolina. Then sometimes it gets tricky on getting out of there. But after we took that load over there, we picked that first load up on Monday and it dropped Tuesday. And then Wednesday I got us a load out of Eden Prairie, Minnesota. And that load was going to East Greenbush, New York. Morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning, and it is 9:51. I am picking up at Eden Prairie, Minnesota, and we are taking it to East Greenbush, New York. I am early. I'm not even supposed to pick up till 11, but I wanted to get here early because you never know about the traffic and construction. But I'm picking this load up, and we're taking it over to New York. I don't have a load after this because this load is scheduled to drop at 1600 p.m. So it was kind of too late to be able to pull a load off the board. So hopefully we drop early enough tomorrow that I can get a load. But I'll show you around what this place looks like that we're picking up this morning. Flip this camera around. I think it's slow. But it's just like individual little buildings, all like in a circle. And they all have like their own little docks. I'm picking up to the one to the right of me right there. It says DDL on the door. I think this might be a Sec 1 load, so I'm probably not going to be able to film the loading of it because that's part of the rules. You can't. But I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know where we are, where we're going. Oh, yeah, and it's supposed to be like some snow going up and over into Wisconsin and Chicago today. So we might get some of that on film if we get into it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Hey, everybody. I actually got picked up and started driving, and then Michael jumped in the driver's seat because it's snowing. I told you guys that I would jump on here and show you once we got over here into some of the snow this morning, and it is coming down. Let me flip this camera around real quick for you. It's kind of hard to see, but I mean, it's big flakes. It's definitely laying. We're heading into this storm, and basically the storm is going to be following us all the way over to Chicago, and then it's going to go up toward like Marquette, the upper Michigan area, a lot of Michigan, but it's definitely laying. It's all over the trees, and we just got in it. So yeah, it is a blizzard. That's what they said it was going to be, a blizzard. And these windshield wipers are frozen on this truck. As you can see, our window, it's not even thawing out. He may have to get out and...
I got the window heating up. I'll thaw it out eventually, but I may have to...
Yeah, he may have to stop and clean the wipers off. And it does look like it's sticking to the road. Now, I do know that they salted the roads. But the temperature just dropped down to 30 degrees, and you know how that is, even if they salted the roads. I've seen trucks sitting sideways. So, and it's snowing so heavily, you can't even see what's really up in front of you either. So we're gonna have to be careful with that and make sure that we don't get in one of those disaster pileups like we see on YouTube and Facebook all the time. Is a lot of times when it gets really bad out here, people don't know that they should pull over when it's so bad. Right now, we just got into it, but if it gets too bad, we will be the people that pull over. Like, we don't play around with our life out here.
Yeah, if it was dark and doing this, I would already be done with it.
Yeah, and he, Michael was like, if it was dark out here right now and snowing this hard, we would have already pulled over. And a lot of drivers probably think like that, you know, as far as it being daytime. But unfortunately, a lot of the accidents do happen during the day. But we're going slow. We're taking it easy. Like, we're not in no hurry. We don't, this one pallet on the back of my truck isn't worth our lives. So, but
Make it back to the taco place.
yeah, honestly, we were literally trying to make it to the taco place. We said if we ever went through Wisconsin again, we were going back to that taco place. And our route has taken us literally right past it today. I've already got it in my phone. We're like 99 miles from there. Depending on the weather, like depending on how bad this gets, hopefully we can at least make it to there. But I do know that this storm is going to be following us. Like, it's going to be ugly until we get on the other side of Chicago. I think once we drop down, I think it's 39. When we start dropping down 39, hopefully we get out of it then. But we still got a long ways to go before that happens. But hopefully the roads just stay safe enough that we can just keep traveling. Anyway, if they don't, I'll jump back on here, or I'll be back on here when we stop to get the tacos. All right, bye-bye.
Taco place.
Yes. Can't wait.
What's up, guys? We are leaving that taco place that we like here in Wisconsin. Actually came back by here about the second time we've been here. I didn't come this much of it, you guys have already seen it. But I will say the second go around was just as good as the first go around. First got the same thing.
Oh, really, Reese wouldn't know.
Got a solid taco. That's the first stop I ever got. I'd stop again. This weather is annoying. Most of the way here, it seems to start to rain. Hopefully it stays that way. We're sitting out here right outside of Chicago. Not in Chicago, but kind of like the bypass on 290 south. And as you can see, the weather looks kind of crazy. It's like 5 o'clock in the evening right now. It should be pretty daylight out here. But it almost looks like it's dark. The sky's so dark. I don't know if it's calling for like tornadoes here or what. We left the blizzard in Minnesota. Now, this craziness in Chicago. Same drive. This traffic, this is normal. This is normal anywhere near Chicago. Just make it like a couple more miles. I'm getting off 290. Maybe that'll clear the traffic up, I don't know. I mean, it's so dark you can barely even see that city over there. You see it, I mean, you can see it, but just basically see a dark shadow of it.
Right home has tornado watches all around us. Like I said, keep your eyes
I don't know what the exact city, obviously we're outside Chicago, but I don't know exactly what the city, Elk Grove maybe?
We're in Elk Grove Village.
Yeah, I see that water tower, Elk Grove Village, outside Chicago, Illinois. It's Wednesday afternoon, 5:23. It's bad enough having to be in the traffic. It's even worse when it's like crazy weather.
You've been out running the weather all day.
Yeah, it's like the weather's chasing me all day.
We were in it this morning.
Right, guys probably already seen the blizzard that we were in earlier and basically been hauling ass back east. And kind of came out of that. We stopped real quick and ate those tacos and then kept it moving. And kind of been out running it for the most part, but it's kind of, I guess it's caught up to us at this point. Unless there's worse weather behind it. Visibility is terrible.
This storm is going to follow us all the way across. It's supposed to hit Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky. Like, we're just barely in front of it.
It's supposed to be dropping this load in the morning in New York. Well, it actually don't drop until, I want to say, like 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow evening. But we're trying to drop it as early as possible to get the load. Don't know what the popo doing here. If it's a wreck or if they're just causing their own problems like normal. There ain't no wreck. Just them sitting out there with their lights on, causing problems. For somebody to steal from them, I guess.
In 1.5 miles, keep right to I-2 Northeast.
Alright, see you guys later.
Continue I-2.
Oh, I just got fuel at Love's and I'm pulling out on our way to New York. Load.
And yeah, it's still rain.
I don't know how much further it is to Toledo, but hopefully I can hurry up and get the fuck out of it.
I don't think you're that far away from it, I don't think.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I ain't been able to get that many miles, because all day it's been either this or snow. Or sitting in traffic in Chicago.
Yeah, it's been terrible weather all day. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, whatever's left, I'm gonna have to do. So. I mean, the last time I just drove, I had over 400 miles, and I didn't even lay down and take a nap until what, like 7 o'clock. I was up all day. Like if it got to the point that I wasn't fine, I couldn't let it. We're not going to end up having to drive in the rain too, but this storm is just right on our head.
Hopefully it's out of it by the time you get it.
Well, it's just hot.
Turn left at the stop sign, then take the
I'm
first
probably not
right.
going to stop again for the rest of my drive, so.
Yeah. I mean, it's literally been on our ass all day. Like we barely have stayed ahead of it all day.
got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame.
100 pounds. It was also temperature controlled from 2 to 8 with a set point of 5 Celsius. And the loaded on that was $12.44 and the deadhead was $89. It paid $2,648.84 to the truck, and we made $827.25 to us. And that paid $1.98 to the truck per mile. Yeah. And then after we dropped that load, it was the weekend, and we ended up
oh yeah, we stayed in I want to say Pittsfield.
Yeah.
Like we dropped that load and you had us one, and that was on a Thursday, but you had us one booked already for Monday.
Yeah.
Which was picking up in Rochester. So
yeah,
I drove a little bit, maybe like 50 miles toward that, and we stopped off in Pittsfield at a Walmart, and we spent the weekend there at that little area.
Yeah.
I think we'll probably end this one here. I do want to say that if you noticed, the last couple videos have came out on a Sunday, and we're going to try to stick with that schedule, because before that our videos are kind of all over the place. They're just kind of released whenever I get a chance to release them, with no schedule really. So we're going to try to stick to releasing our videos every Sunday at around 3 o'clock roughly Eastern time.
Yeah. And we may have shorts that just pop here and there.
If we put out any shorts, they'll just be randomly whenever.
Yeah.
But our regular vlog will be every Sunday, and if there's ever a time that we put out 2 vlogs in a week, it'll probably be Wednesday and Sunday. But so just so you can know, from now on our videos will be every Sunday at about 3 o'clock. So
and if you guys are watching our videos and if there's anything you guys would like us to add or
take away
anything, just let us know, because we're still really new at this.
Still trying to figure it out.
Our channel is very new, and we want to do whatever makes the people that's watching us happy, to be able to watch our videos, because we really appreciate you guys watching our videos and subscribing to us, and the comments, and we're very grateful.
We definitely appreciate all you guys. And I think that at this point we're going to say we'll see you guys next Sunday.
Yeah. Remember, guys, every mile is a story.
Thanks for being part of ours.
Thanks, guys. Bye.